Hey, this is Richard over at FoxAirandHeat.com working on another older R22 system. That thing's probably about 12 years old. It's about a 10 SEER unit. Customer, we came out last weekend, took a look at the system. She wasn't really happy with the guys that were doing the service on it for her, so she called us out because I did her son's house and they were real happy with us. We came out, discussed the options, and told her we got a few things going on. We got some capacitors and worn contactors, and probably recommend a hard start if you want to keep this thing running for as long as it can go. But I explained that, R22 is not available anymore. It's getting really expensive. We do have R22. We can get some, but it's just going, really expensive. The repairs are probably going to be $300, $400, $500, get her up and performing really good to get the most life out of the system. And at the time, she was thinking, well, you know what? Why would I do that? I could just put in a new system, get more efficiency, get a low monthly payment, start actually probably pay for itself by the money savings on no repairs, no, we have either a 10-year warranty on it or even a lifetime replacement warranty on some of the systems that we sell. She said, but let me think about it. And as she thought about it for a few days, she called me back. She was all gung-ho about putting on a really high-end lifetime replacement warranty system. And then she ended up deciding, she goes, you know what, I got a lot of stuff going on right now, so maybe let's just do the repairs for right now and keep me going. So we said, that's fine. We were going to do some duct work. She's going to do some insulation in the attic. She's going to do a bunch of different things. So she's doing a lot of upgrades to this house. And it was fine. Whether we're going to give you the options, and we're not just trying to sell you the big ticket items. So, if we can do some repairs and get you up and running, and keep you where it's reliable. We just care about our customers. We don't want to see them wasting money, sinking money into old systems when they could be, more efficient on a new system and saving money. So the longer you put off replacing the older system, the more it's going to cost you. So if it was a compressor failure or something like that, yeah, for sure, we just say, hey, better off going with a new system. But we're not high pressure. We're not just trying to sell everybody a new system when we come out. And we're going to give you time to think about it, and this just worked out better for her, so it's no problem. She was kind of asking me, goes, well, is that, you're not making as much money on this? And I go, well, I said, it doesn't matter. Sometimes we do make money, don't get me wrong, we're profitable, and if we spend years out here doing repairs and then we sell you a new system, we got all the repairs and a new system, so it really doesn't hurt our feelings. We just really want to do what's the best interest for our customers. So give us a holler. It's Richard over at FoxAirandHeat.com. Try to do what we can to earn the business and keep the business, and we just live on referrals. And check out our Google reviews because we have some really really sincere customers give us some really good reviews. So thanks for watching. Just a couple things I wanted to point out of how we do business and what makes us different from other guys out working on a Saturday trying to beat the rain before it starts raining on us. So thanks for watching.